Civil Service Exam, word problem number 69. A 200,000 pesos bonus is to be divided among 3 persons so that Myrna receives twice as much as Rosalie, who receives 1/5 as much as Marivic. How much would Marivic receive? So on choices, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, and 125,000 pesos. Okay, so number 69 na tayo. Sana napanood nyo po simula number 1. Nasa description po ang playlist natin para dire-diretso nyong mapanood simula number 1. Para sa nanonood sa Facebook at sa YouTube, nasa description po. Okay? So bago tayo mag-start, so meron po tayong Civil Service Exam Review for Math and Logic via Zoom for 50 pesos only. So para sa 10 sessions po yan, all Mondays ng June and July, 6 p.m. onwards. Para sa August 2024 na civil service ito. Okay, so with GCN exclusive FB group, Google Forms practice test, sessions are recorded para sa hindi available ng 6 p.m. sa Monday. And then sessions on math and logic only but will share reviewer on other subjects. Okay, so napakamura po na to, 50 pesos. I-divide nyo sa 10, 5 pesos per session lang po ito. Okay, so let's start. Sagutan na natin ang ating problem. A 200,000 pesos bonus is to be divided among 3 persons. So among 3 persons such that Myrna receives twice as much as Rosalie. Then Rosalie receives 1/5 as much as Marivic. Ang tanong, how much would Marivic receive? Okay, so magle-let tayo ng variable dito. Let natin kung ano yung hinahanap. How much would Marivic receive? So let's say Marivic, so i-let natin yung mare-receive ni Marivic ay X. Okay? So tapos, so si Rosalie, paano natin ilalagay si Rosalie? Rosalie who receives 1/5 as much as Marivic. So kung si Marivic ay X, si Rosalie ay 1/5 X. Or simply X over 5. Parehas lang yan. 1/5 X or X over 5. So gawin na lang natin X over 5. And then sabi, si Myrna naman, Myrna receives twice as much as Rosalie. So si Myrna, ang mare-receive ni Myrna, twice as much ni Rosalie. So i-multiply lang natin ito sa 2. So magiging 2X over 5. Now, buuin na natin ang equation. Ang hinahanap natin si Marivic, so yung X. So ang total daw niyan, i-divide daw kasi yung 200,000 pesos. So i-divide natin, ito yung mga part nila. So magiging equation natin x plus x over 5 plus 2x over 5 ay equal sa total na 200,000 pesos. Okay, so isolve lang natin ang value ng x dito. So bago yon, pagsamahin muna natin ito. X over 5 plus 2x over 5 kasi parehas naman denominator 5. So i-add lang natin, may invisible na 1 dito. So therefore we have x plus 1x plus 2x. So we have 3x over 5 is equal to 200,000 pesos. Now tanggalin natin yung 5 by multiplying both sides of the equation by 5. Okay, so distribute natin ito. So we have 5x plus, distribute dito, makakancel lang yung 5. So we have 3x is equal to 200,000 times 5 or 5 times 2 na lang to, no? So magiging 10. Tapos kopyahin yung 5 0. So magiging siyang 1 million. Okay? So magiging 1 million. And then we have 5x plus 3x. So we have 8x is equal to 1 million. And then last step natin, divide both sides by 8. So therefore, ang value ni x or ang share ni Marivic, eksakto to, no? So 100 divided by 8. So ipakita na lang natin para malinaw. 1 million divided by 8. So we have 1. Ayun. Pwede nang mag-stop dito. 1 yung simula. Hindi, ano ba yung 1 ang simula? Hindi letter din na. Okay, diretso na rin natin. So 1 times 8. So we have 8. Subtract. So we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 8. We have 2. 2 times 8. We have 16. Subtract. So we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, kopyahin na lang yung tatlong 0. Therefore, 125,000. Letter D. Okay? So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. At kung meron kayong math question ay i-comment nyo lang dito or i-PM nyo ako sa Messenger, RJ Enseñado. So kita-kita po tayo sa marami pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam. Good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.